and today I'm going to show you how to make a lemonade stand so that you can put it in your backyard and you can play with your family for hours and hours and hours. So these are the things that you'll need to make your lemonade stand. First, you'll need a box. You'll also need a grown-up to help with this part, but at the end of it, you'll have this awesome lemonade stand that you can use. You can have imagination play in your backyard. You can serve lemonade to your family. And then I'll show you how to decorate it. I'll show you how to make a little cash register for it. And I'll also show you how to make homemade lemonade. So the first thing that you need is a box. Any size box will do. This is the one that we had left over. And then you'll need to cut one side of the box. So this is where you'll need a grown-up to help you. So it works better if you use an X-Acto knife or a pair of sharp scissors to cut one side. So it'll end up looking like this. And then you're going to lay your box flat. Works best on the floor or on the ground. And then you're going to tape. Use packing tape or duct tape. It works the best. You're going to tape one side of your box. And then you're going to tape the other side of your box. And it's still laying flat on the floor. And then once you've taped it, you're going to fold the sides in and tape it. So it's going to kind of make a little shelf or a countertop. So this is what it'll end up looking like. You should have two side panels and a long countertop edge. Voila! You have a lemonade stand made out of a box. So let me show you how you can decorate it. So now we need to decorate our lemonade stand. And I found this really awesome idea. So what you need is you need a lemon or a grapefruit or a lime, something citrus, but I'm using lemon today because we're making a lemonade stand. And you need some paint. I just have some tempera paint. I chose pink and yellow for lemonade, and pink for strawberry lemonade. And then again, you need a grown-up to help you. You're going to cut your lemon in half. And then we're going to use this to paint. So you can make wallpaper on pieces of paper if you want, if that's easier for you. So all you do is dip it in your paint and stamp. And it makes this really cool print. So you can do it like that, and then you can put it onto your board or your stand. Or you can stamp right on your stand and make a pattern and wait for it to dry. So that's how you decorate your stand. So now I'm going to show you how to make a little sign for your lemonade stand. And this is just made out of popsicle sticks or tongue depressors, whatever you can get your hands on. And it's really easy to do. And the only hard part to this is that if you have a grown-up, you can get them to help you glue it together. I used hot glue, but white glue works just as well. So this is what you need. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 popsicle sticks or tongue depressors. And I painted mine yellow. So let me leave my 6 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I have an extra. And then I just took my tempera paint, or the paint that I used to cover my box or to make my wallpaper for my stand. I used that, but if you don't have any of that, you can use a yellow marker. It works just the same. And then you can just color them. And then when you're all done, let them, if you painted them, you have to let them dry. And if you use the marker, you can glue them right away. And then you end up with this cute little stand. So, then you have to write the word lemonade. Lemonade starts with L. So L is for lemonade, but it's also for Lisa. Do you have any of these letters in your name? So now we have our lemonade stand built. We've decorated it with our paint and markers. We made a little sign so people know how much our lemonade costs. Now we have to get ready for our money. So this is a kind of a makeshift money tray or cash register. So you need to find a sorting tray like this, and then you need to find some pictures, or even better, you need to find some real money. You need to find 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, a loonie and a toonie, so $1 and $2, and then I put one in the middle for tips, just in case your family wants to tip you. So this is a great math lesson for the kids, and it helps them teach them money skills. So that's easy to do. And it's just a makeshift sorting tray, and you can do it with anything you have. Even if you have little bowls, as long as you take the coin in it, then you have your makeshift cash register. So now I need you to bring your grown-up back, because this step is boiling some stuff on the stove. So now that we have our lemonade stand ready to go, we need to make basic lemonade so that we can serve it at our lemonade stand. So these are the things that you need. You need a pot, you need a measuring cup, you need a lemon or some lemons, you need some sugar, and then you need a pitcher to put it all in, and you also need 6 cups of water. So to make the basic lemonade recipe, you need to put 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water in your pot, and you need to boil this on your stove. So this is where you need your grown-up to help, and stir it until all the sugar is dissolved. And then you have to let it cool for a little bit. So I've done that already. And then you need to take one of your lemons. Remember to wash your lemons before you cut them or use them. So then you need to cut it in half, and we need to get 1 cup of lemon juice. So I'm not sure if 1 lemon will do that, but let's check. So you need to put, I have this handy dandy lemon squeezer. It's fun to use. You get to squeeze it. But if you don't have one of those, you can just use a strainer, or you can use your muscles. And then you're going to squeeze it. Use your muscles. Squeeze it into a measuring cup until you get 1 cup of lemon juice. So it might take more than 1 lemon, but we'll try, because I don't have very strong muscles to get all the juice out. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And then once you get your 1 cup of lemon juice, you're going to pour it into your simple syrup that you made. So that's the sugar and water mixed together. And then you're going to let that cool. You can put it in the fridge and let it cool down. And then, when you're ready to make your lemonade, you're going to add all of that. So pour that in there. Just pretend like it's already cooled off. And then you're going to pour that into your 6 cups of water. And you're going to give it a stir. And if you want, you can put this back in the fridge to get cold, or you can add some ice to it so you have nice refreshing iced tea or lemonade, sorry. And then you're going to pour it into some fancy cups so that you can serve it at your lemonade stand. And then if you really, really want to be fancy, you can cut a little piece of lemon off and put it in there. So that's how you make basic lemonade. So when life gives you lemons, you can make lemonade or a lemonade stand. Have fun. Thanks for joining us.